Good morning. It's Thursday, June 27th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. We do have a lot going on, just starting to move into the state of Georgia. Up in North Georgia, that nice, light, steady rain, that's exactly what they need up there, and those showers are going to continue to track down toward the southeast. Not a whole lot of thunderstorm activity with that, but we do have a cluster of thunderstorms moving in from the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama. That's continuing to move into southwest Georgia. A few of those storms will go strong to severe as we move through the day today, and we'll talk about that a little bit more. But better chance of rain and already happening in a few parts of the state today, and we certainly need the rain, no doubt about it. Let's take a look at our temperatures as we get started this morning at 726. We have low 70s in North Georgia, a few upper 60s in there as well, upper 70s, low 80s in parts of South Georgia, and very humid once again as we get started this morning. Here's our level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. This is covering all of South Georgia, pretty much all of middle of Georgia as well, and then stretching up toward the I-20 corridor. So as we continue through the day today, we'll see a few of those storms go strong to severe. This is mainly going to be later this afternoon and this evening. So this is not a big tornado threat day. This will just be those heavy rain showers, possibility of some hail, and strong straight line winds. Again, we can use the rain. We're just trying to keep the severe weather away. Quick look at the tropics. There's our yellow X on the left side of the screen. Very slim chance of that developing into a tropical cyclone, but we're going to continue to keep an eye on that. But our orange X out coming off the west coast of Africa, that's where that form is, in that sweet spot there where the water's very warm, but it does look like all the models are pointing to this storm continuing to stay very well to the south. So usually we see the storms start to develop where they are, and then they begin to curve up above Hispaniola, above Cuba, and that's where it has an impact on us. It does look like this is going to stay to our south, but it will be moving toward the Gulf of Mexico in about a week and a half. So for now, 40% chance of developing over the next 48 hours, about a 70% chance of developing over the next 7 days. So more than likely this weekend we will have a tropical depression or tropical storm, and then we'll just be watching this storm for the next week, week and a half or so. What happens once it gets to the Gulf, if it even makes it to the Gulf, that will be up in the air, but we have plenty of time to talk about that as we get going. Let's take a look at our weather model as we move through the day today. We'll back this up to early this morning and then continue forward here. This is 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. We see those light showers moving into North Georgia, continuing to track down toward the south. So Metro Atlanta seeing those showers around noon today. And then our thunderstorms in southwest Georgia. Again, a few could be strong to severe. We kind of see these two systems merge together, and then some storms out ahead of it start to develop as we head toward 4 o'clock this afternoon. And we'll watch out for a few of those storms to be severe. By 6, 7 o'clock, still hanging around there, mainly south of I-20. And then we'll see those storms start to cross up through Metro Atlanta again later on this evening. A lot of thunderstorm activity between Statesboro and Savannah and all along the Georgia coastline. And that just continues to hang out till around midnight tonight. And then, poof, everything starts to disappear overnight tonight. Things get quiet. Still looking at some clouds, humidity as we get started tomorrow morning. Tomorrow will not be as much of an active weather day as it is today, but still looking at showers and thunderstorms starting to move in. Looks like tomorrow morning down from Columbus to Albany, and those storms continue to push toward Macon, but kind of fading out as we head toward noon tomorrow. So just not enough energy in the atmosphere tomorrow to keep those storms going all day, but enough heat and humidity to get another little round starting to pop up by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So bottom line, our best chance of rain across the state will be today. And then tomorrow, we're looking at a decent chance, mainly in South Georgia and parts of Middle Georgia. So we can use whatever rain we can get. Hopefully, we'll keep the severe weather down to a minimum as we go through today. That's the latest from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.